my standard 6-sided die doesn't work, how many sides would I need?
8.
8 could work, because 4 teams, I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And conveniently for us, there are 8-sided die.
Yay!
There are pretty much any sided die that you need. The more nerdy you get, the more you'll get into dice rolling. So, I'm just going to go order of my table up here. So we're going to go Liam's team is 1, 2. Caleb's team is 3, 4. Sydney's team is 5, 6. Sally's team is 7, 8. Close. It's a 2. So Liam's team, you're going to pull first. You're going to be first question. Now that we're down to 3 teams, now we can do 6-sided die because that works, right? So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys are 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. Sydney's team is going to be second.
Ew,
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. At the last moment, it flipped from 6 to 3. All right. We want to get through as many problems as we can because that means you have less homework. Which, by the way, we're just kind of flip-flopping Wednesday, Thursday. But you already have 4-3-3, so it doesn't really matter. But I forgot about choir dress rehearsal, so that's why we did this morning. But I'm glad we have everyone here right now. If you want to see what the morning did, their video's already uploaded. So, Eli's team gets to start. Let's shuffle up and see who's going to pick our first number. Wes, give us a number. 1. It's the loneliest number. Really, it's a like old song. Where did this go? I had a whole plan and now I lost it. There it is. Hey, I doubt you guys have any idea whose birthday it is today. Sorry. Happy birthday to your mom. Top is the multiplication, bottom is the addition.
Yeah, I don't know. You're right there. He was gonna go. Oh. Yeah.
Top is multiplication, bottom is addition. What do we need to add fractions? To add fractions, you need common denominators.
I just changed the focus to 1620.
Do not know the lyrics.
But why listen to it?
Because I can do the backup sing that.
Okay, so it's 520.
And you guys can keep solving more problems so your team is ready for like when you pick the next problems. Keep solving as much as you can. Get your homework done.
That way you can do cross.
Wes, whenever you're ready, you conferred with your team, let me know.
Yeah, that one is totally like so I would like to do 80-20. Let's keep working on these next problems. So you get this one done, let's do another one. So you guys can get ahead of these quick when you get home. Yeah. Did you guys get an answer?
Yeah.
What did you get? You guys, just work on the other problems. Oh, here's what I did. I changed it to 1620.
How we doing back there, guys? All right.
Okay, so I'm the one that's wrong. Okay. Yeah.
Why are you guys not participating back here with it? Seems like it's like the three of them.
I did not know.
For what? The number on the left or the number on the top?
Yeah. Number on the top. I thought I could.
How do you multiply fractions?
You apply across the top.
Oh, yeah, geez, that's
It's around the side.
Cross top, cross top.
Yeah.
Do we even have to say? Does it say we have to?
Yeah, it might be. You never know. For the 22 times what is 2? The I is the side of 5. No, I think it's 8 or 1 of it. Yeah, because 8 times 2. Oh, I hate to go backwards.
What?
Why is there such smart little cookies?
Do you know who just came and put these on? Who put stuff on my desk? I'm so confused.
Maybe so fun.
Like a fairy or an elf or something?
I don't know.
Like for real, I don't know where these came from.
I didn't see anybody. I'm like, just figure it out.
Working in middle school, right? All right, Wesley.
Yeah.
Literally.
All right.
Oh,
I know you got the left one, and since
Probably
you got
not
the
right.
left one, I think you should have the top one.
I don't think we did.
All right, so walk me through step by step, Wes. The fraction on the right, I saw what you guys did. How'd you turn the denominator into a 20? By 4 and got 16 20ths, which then gave us over here. You can check your paper. Yeah, because to make 21, we needed 5 more with the 16. And then we go to multiply. You can either multiply reduced fractions, or you can multiply not reduced fractions. It's up to you. Would you guys multiply? Did you reduce this? You didn't have to, but you could have. Okay, so you used 5 20ths. And did you multiply it with the 4 fifths or the 16?
16 20ths.
You're making it big, but that's fine. All right, so what'd you get? 84 hundredths, because 5 times 16, 80. 20 times 20, 400. There's a lot of other right answers if we reduce this fraction down. First off, if we take the zeros off, 8 over 40 is also a correct answer here. If we keep reducing it down, both of these divide by 8. And we get 1 over, what's 40 divided by 8?
5.
You can reduce all the way down to 1/5 if you want. Send somebody up to the tower.
Okay, go ahead.
What's up?
For a second.
You could also do 4 20ths.
Yeah, I fell into the trapdoor, and for a second I was like, wait a minute. Would that mean that the 1/5 times 4/5 equals?
No.
Yeah.
Well, okay,
Yeah.
1/5 times 4 fifths would be 4 25ths.
Yeah.
You multiply tops and bottoms.
Yeah.
All right, sorry, 1 is gone. Our next team, Amara. Give us a number.
7.
7. Lucky number 7. Lesser T Swift. Then it's 13. Do the math. Simplify, which really means do the math. When we simplify, we do the math.
Okay, so I'm guessing that we simply vary. You have a better idea? Okay, because I just know it was different. Oh yeah, I feel like I know this song.
I'm sure you do.
Oh, yeah.
Very close. It's Ariana Grande.
Oh, okay. Wait, I didn't figure it out.
I don't know why she didn't just go for it and be Ariana Benson.
I saw you on the internet. I did. It was like, wait, that would be positive.
I would reevaluate the grades here. You want to correct that?
No, I have like top four. No, but I just got a new carrier.
There is no homework on
Sorry, take a breath. You're gonna run out. You guys got it over here?
Well, be careful, 'cause then when I say, okay, walk me through it, yeah, cheating doesn't get you very far. It momentarily solves your problem. Long term, it makes it worse. Oh, bad. Well, sometimes I think when you're out there, check the bits. You don't put them away. No, because you didn't tell me.
I'm jamming to Ariana.
This almost tricked me. C almost tricked me because no parentheses.
Talk with your teeth.
All right, Amara. Whoa. Walk me through.
So basically, we're going to subtract 4.
Hey guys, we're up here now.
Oh, sorry. We're
You're
going to
good.
subtract 4 and negative 16 equals negative 12. And then, see down below, it's got the front.
Well, okay. I think what Amara's brain was doing is this, which I love, because she said negative 12, which is right. So keep rolling.
Okay, anyhow, and you see the parentheses, correct? The
Yeah.
2 is touching it, so that means it's multiplied, so then you're going to get positive 4.
And then when we reduce that,
What's negative 12 divided by 4?
yeah, negative 3. Very good. Send someone to the tower. 7 is gone. Jesse, you are the next question master. Jesse, you're the next person to pick a number. 13 in honor of T-Swift. I think this is the first problem on the closure.
No, actually it's
124. Second problem. Sorry, second problem.
It's got to be able to stand on its own. You can do whatever you want. You got 30 seconds. Oh, I don't know what it does. I think we're going too far.
You got 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. You gotta let go. Amara got greedy. We need help rebuilding the tower. Amara got greedy. So what is that? You got 4 and then negative 10. Negative 6. Put it on the scoreboard.
What are you guys talking about? You guys literally stood up.
Amara, I think if you hadn't rotated it, you'd have been fine.
I'm so smart.
Okay,
Yeah,
well.
4 is 6. Yeah, I agree with you, Taylor. Yeah. Okay, you haven't planned. Okay, how about you both finish? Hey!
So I would say Jesse's team, you might want to be solving this problem. Oh, you're good? Your calculator won't help you on this problem. Hey, your calculator will not help you.
I feel like this banner's name is appropriate for what just happened. You know, this man's name.
You're so smart.
I just know you.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this song's kind of bad. They say the same word.
Okay, it's not that great of a song, but it's catchy. Like,
They say over and over again, on Monday, are you gonna watch
What? When? Like during Winterpalooza? Or what are you talking about? I have no idea what you're talking about, but right now is not the time to distract me. And now you're awkwardly on the video record. Like, I would love to come watch you guys, yeah?
I was asking if it was happening, because I heard it was happening.
I don't know what's going on. All right. Apparently,
Wait, do you guys have this done? Okay, sorry, that's what I thought. So, when we combine our like terms here, kind of clean up that bedroom or whatever, what do you get, Jesse? 4x plus 6, because even though the x minus 1 is in parentheses, can we take 1 away from x? No, we don't know what x is. We can't take 1 away from it. So we get 4x plus 6. Very good. 13 is gone. Send someone to the tower. Thomas, let's get you guys on the board. Pick a number. 3 is the magic number. Yeah, it is. Sorry, it's conjunction junction. Conjunction junction.
One of my favorite Christmas songs ever. Let's just go.
Hey, North team. We're in 3A right now, so I'm gonna move your points for you. Just by the way. I don't know who wrote them down here, but we're in 3A right now.
Wesley. He left Wesley. Oh no.
Hey, rectangle central table. Oh, never mind. That's why you're not on the score. Yeah, just those. What, you ready? Okay, I'll go back up here and dance my way around this Jenga tree. Well, thank you. It's really hot. I'm trying to keep it on, but I'm like warm right now.
You play Taylor Swift for me?
I started with Taylor Swift.
No, but we want her back.
But this is holiday music. Sit down so we can keep doing your homework. Fine. Of course. I don't think any amount of Taylor Swift is going to make you think it's enough. All right. Thomas, do you want to start with the top or the bottom? How did, talk me through how you got what you got.
5 times 3 is 15, so you put 15 on the bottom, and 1 times 2 is 2, so you put 2 on the top. The bottom one,
Hey, if you're talking, you should be listening because Thomas is dropping knowledge on us.
and for the bottom one, you're going to want to make sure that the two denominators have a common denominator, so you're going to want to times 5 by 3 and 3 times 5 to get 15, and then you're going to want to do the same to the numerator, so that will leave you 13.
So wait, when we did this, what was this numerator? Oh, that makes sense how you got 13. So 13. Yeah, because once you have that common denominator, it stays, right? That common denominator stays what it is. Very nice work. Send someone up. 3 is gone, and we keep going. Back around for the second lap. Let's see what happens now. Stella, pick a number. 16. Sweet 16. When you'd be allowed to drive more than a skateboard.
I drive a bike. I drive a bike.
Make sure you give yourself points.
No, I drive a bike. Oh, wait. So I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna try using my brain. The first time I heard the song was in the best Christmas movie ever. Yeah.
Did you sign up for home line math?
Yes, I did. That was my second option.
You don't have to do
That
math.
was my second option.
There's math that has candy reward, but if you just want to chill and watch the movie, that is not.
15 points. I knew where it was.
Stella, how we doing?
I got a long answer.
Remember, what does per tell us to do?
Divide.
So make sure you're talking with each
I did
other.
that. It's like the longest string of numbers I've ever seen. Oh, simplify. Oh, simplify? 14. Wait. I do, but I don't think I did it I put that because I wanted to sound bad. I did that.
You did? I like to hear the label.
No,
That is good.
Oh, no, you can't forget that zero.
Do not bring. You brought me the battery, right? For my clock, wasn't that you? Okay. I was about to say, do not bring me spoons. I end up finding some on clearance. But I have another thing. I just gotta put more spoons in my thing.
First one is better than the second.
Okay. I really like the second Home Alone also.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I also just love New York City. So, like, the fact that he's in New York.
I think Kevin actually got it.
Stella, I'm guessing you guys are ready because all we're doing is talking Home Alone. So, since we already have on the board that Per tells us to divide, when you did the division here and got your answer, Stella, what did you get for the speed skater's speed?
14.09 meters per second.
Guys, if you visualize this, 14 meters, a meter is like a yard, right? So 14 of those every second on skates. Not a car, not like on skates. And I think this is probably even talking about like ice skating, because that's what we're like in the Olympics stuff where you see speed skating. That's crazy fast.
Wait, are we right?
Yeah, absolutely. Danya, second question for your team.
Actually, no. Am I allowed to like feel for a week?
Yeah. 14. Hey, reminder, steals happen. We've had a steal happen in every class so far. Are you? Did you talk with each other? Literally fell on. Are you good? You okay? No concussion? How many fingers? Okay. You gotta hang on to it for a second because we just had like a disaster up here. So, Caleb, unnecessary.
That's the first time I've been
Yeah, -6 because you got the question, but then the tower fell, so it's -6 to your score. So whatever you had, -6.
Sorry, guys. All you guys voted for me to do it.
Literally.
Great. Well, I'm positive for it. Wait, I'm totally smart. Yeah, sure. You got it. I got paintball today.
All right, tower construction people, chill for a sec. Like keep building. But Danya, what did your team decide this simplifies down to? -60 is correct because you do inside the parentheses, then multiply, then add. Nice work. So once the tower's built, send someone up. Make sure you remember to give your team your points. 14 is gone. Jagger, second question for your team. You can even, well, actually, don't poke it because I need to move it so I remember what's what. 12. Combine these like terms. Nice, that one came out easy. So that's 9 points to your team. So add 9, so like a race. Ooh, so now you're at positive. Oh, you were at -6 plus 9. Positive 3. Yeah, you're at positive now. No, wait. Blair, you guys put your score in the right place, right? You're at +3 now?
Yeah.
Okay, just double checking that we could. Okay, just making sure I'm. So hold up. So we're tied up now, 3 and 3, and then we got 9 and 7. It's anyone's game. It's anyone's game. Jagger, when you simplify this, hey, bring it back because Jagger's ready. When you simplify this, start with the biggest, right? Like the we're going to start with the x squared if there are x squareds, right? 3x squared plus 3x plus 8 is correct. Send someone to the tower. What the, yeah, no, I mean it's just best if you put the biggest like value first. So it's okay. It's still equal, like it's the same. Mathematically, it's the same. We just have a preference of put the bigger one first. Jace, finishing up our second lap around the room. Pick a number. 5, feeling alive. Ooh, this one's a multiple step one. I'm going to color code it for you guys. What should happen on your paper is very similar to this. It doesn't need to be color coded. But we're saying, how did we get here? How did we get here? What property took us there? We'll give you a couple minutes to sort through this one.
Was it me? Wait, what happened? Wait,
It's Jace.
Hobo. Not a hobo. What do we call it? I honestly don't know what to call it. I think I have no sweet.
Teamwork makes the dream work,
That's
right?
what I'm saying. I'm like, I'm not gonna help. You can talk with your team. Okay, we're ready.
Jace is ready. We didn't even make it to the second chorus. All right. That is one Blake Shelton song that you like. Not that anyone can. You're a captive audience. Jace, we've got these 4 properties to choose from. What allows us to go from step 1 to step 2? The commutative, because to commute means to move, and we moved our numbers around, so the commutative property. And if you want to remind yourself, commute means move. My green arrow up here that goes from step 2 to step 3. The associative, because it does what? It does stuff with the parentheses. We either move parentheses, bring new parentheses in, even take parentheses away. Purple arrow. Jace, from step 3 to step 4. It is combined like terms, which I'll just abbreviate up here. And then Jace, lime green arrow. Yeah, or we could again just say combine like terms because 20 and 30 are like terms. So simplify or combine like terms. Whatever you want. Send someone to the tower. Number 5 is gone. We're on to lap 3. Liam, pick our next number. 11. 3, 3, 11. None of you get that. Ooh, check with your team though. Check with your team.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Are we gonna have the tower fall 3 times? Hold on, put it on, because it'll help it. Dude, you gotta put it on.
Let me see.
And that's gonna pull the weight back this way.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Eli, what did you get?
You got 30 seconds.
Okay.
Don't
We're
worry.
ready, Mr. We're ready. Careful.
I think we all need to whisper. Really scared the tower's just gonna fall over.
We're ready.
All right, Liam. Hey, we're bringing it back now for Liam. Liam, when you guys combine these like terms,
18x plus 3.
no hesitation there. 18x plus 3 is correct. Send someone to the tower. If you sneeze on that, I'm pretty sure it's falling over. Cameron.
A loose block.
Cameron, what do you want? Probably not to come to the tower, honestly. But 9.
No, just like very lightly. Very lightly.
All right. Wait. So this is only part A. Just that's why it slid down. This is like part A is what I care about here. But let's all like intensify the nervousness and just stare at Claire for a moment. Okay. Do the math or do what you want.
We're all done.
Claire, don't freak out if there's a bug on your shoulder.
Mr. Hudson, I swear.
No, but like actually.
Mr. Hudson.
Like, yeah, we're all done.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Right there!
You did it again!
Claire, hurry up. The
It's stuck!
It's stuck.
You can't go back, Claire. Claire, you can't go back.
I mean, she can if she wants. She can go back. Just yank it like a band-aid.
No,
You want to tag me in? You really want me to? I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna yank it like a band-aid. Just rip it off. Just,
rip it off. Do it.
it's still gotta go on top. Still gotta go on top. Other way, perpendicular. There we go. All right, scale factor. What is the scale
Okay,
factor?
wait, Claire, what
You
block
divide
is
by
that?
seven.
Claire, middle or average?
Middle.
Okay. Let's see. At 7 to 3, so 10. No, I don't.
Wait, you guys, are you giving me the answer? Wow. Well, sorry, normally people are like, hey, we're ready.
Oh, we did say it. I know you did.
Hey.
Sorry.
Why are you saying sorry? I was going to say I love you guys.
Oh, I thought you were going to yell at us when you were talking.
No. As long as we can only bring it back together.
We love you too.
But Cameron's ready to give, I can't decide if we're going to have time for another question or not, but Cameron's ready. Cameron, scale factor. You can say divide by 3, or if you really want to use multiplication, what could you say you multiply by? Oh, not the same as a fraction. No joke, the fraction's better. It's not negative.
Is it 0.3?
1/3. So you can either say we're dividing by 3, but guys, technically, when we talk scale factors, we talk in multiplication. So technically, what you should probably write down on your paper is the scale factor is 1/3 because we're getting smaller. We're getting smaller. You could underline or highlight that on your paper too. Send someone to the tower, Cameron. That someone could be you. I am very scared.
Oh my God, Claire, that's a spider.
Wait, did you take the bug? Oh no, you threw the bug.
Tarantula.
Oh, she's going safe. Doing the safe move, taking the middle. All right, 7 points. And that is it for today. We will save this. That is not what I meant to save, but... Hey, no, we're continuing tomorrow. Yeah, we're keeping on going.
For now.
So, tomorrow.
Yes, no, we'll win the war.
Yeah, I don't need you to clap. I just need you to be quiet. Tomorrow we're going to check your homework because homework is due this, this Friday. And guys, that's quarter 3 work. Obviously, yes, you should still be keeping up with quarter 3, but please don't panic or freak out. You have a couple week break coming up. I made this deal with the other class, so I'll make it with you guys. I will wait to post these homeworks from this week till after we get back. So if you need a little bit more time, that's okay. I know you got science fair and everything else going on. But we'll check homework, we'll finish Jenga. Have a great day.
Yep, you too.
Thank you.
How many out of how many did we complete?
Sorry, I can't really think much right now because I got to run. That'll only go back so far. Dang it, I accidentally saved this over my original, so I just got to find another copy of my original.
What happens if a team purposefully gets a question wrong?
They